Alright, you guys, so we're at the SLS Baha Mar. This is the Superior King Suite. You have the vanity and your closet space over here. Your safe for all your belongings. Nice big mirror for you to be able to see your outfits every day. It's actually a spacious room, so you have your king bed over there. Nightstand with the speakers. Over here you got your flat screen TV. Your mini bar, fully stocked. You have a desk area over here. You got a really nice view of the resort. The water park and the pool. Over there you can see the water. Each room has a balcony so you get some fresh air in the morning. And if you walk over here, you have a spacious bathroom. Nice tub. His and her sink. Large walk-in shower. You have the toilet over there. And yeah, overall nice room with a beautiful view. Couldn't ask for more. Thumbs up for me, guys. All right, see you at the next one.